2017 Dodge Ram 1500, or just Ram, no more Dodge. 5.7 liter HEMI. It had this, we did this dual job on it. Single in, dual out MagnaFlow about, I want to say 6 months ago. And it came in with a 3-inch right there, as you guys can see. Then the customer came in and he wants it true dualed. So that's what we done. Still got the factory converters there and there. Then we true dualed it 2.5 all the way back into his 2.5 tailpipes. As you guys can see, into 4-inch tips right there and right there, rolled edge. And you guys wanted no X pipe, nothing. There you go. So here's true duals all the way. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. This is what it looks like out the back. Right there. So before he said it was loud, but it was just a muffled sound. Now it's gonna be loud. You guys tell us in the comments what you guys think. Much better. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Beast mode. And it actually made the wax in my ears itch. Made my ear itch, is so loud. Oh man, it sounds real good. Oh, I love it. HEMI, HEMI, HEMI. Oh, this helps the blood flow in my body. It's still here. Look how far he is. Love it.